Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this brilliant Audi A1 1 litre TFSI Sport Sportback. Now this vehicle has currently done 32,686 miles and it's finished in the colour candy white. It does come with 3 previous Audi services. It's a fantastic fuel efficient small hatchback. It sits nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You have the optional extra power folding door mirrors which automatically fold in when you lock the vehicle. Take a look in the boot, you'll find 270 litres of space which can be increased to 920 litres with the rear seats down. Take a look inside to the rear, you'll find your lovely cloth interior with the leather detailing. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. To the left of the steering wheel you've got controls for the display in the instrument cluster. To the right some controls for adjusting the infotainment system. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to all different driving data. There's also a digital speedometer. You can also access your audio and telephone menu here on the display as well. In the centre of the dashboard you have your infotainment system with the display at the top of the dashboard here. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also connect your own source of audio in the media section here. You've got the Audi Music interface, CD player, SD input and Bluetooth. Moving to your telephone menu, you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. In your vehicle menu, you've got vehicle settings here. You can make adjustments to the steering wheel button, your central locking. You also have your speed warning that's part of your driver assist. You can see your infotainment controls here in the centre of the dashboard. Below you'll find your air conditioning, which is super easy to use. You've got your button for the traction control as well as your heated rear windscreen. There's a 12-volt socket and 2 cup holders there, along with your 5-speed manual gear selector in the centre. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.